the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me.
Hi, good evening guys. We are making today, it's a international cocktail, Sex on the Beach. This is a fully ice cube and this is peach syrup. And we pour some orange juice to the shaker. And shake it well. And pour it slowly.
'Cause now I found you.
And we are using for the cocktail, this is absolute vodka. Absolute vodka. And finally, pour some cranberry juice. Very slowly.
You're by my side again. I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless.
And you will get 2 layers of this.
I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it.
So, syrup.
Just find my way back.
This is a Sex on the Beach.
Why did it take us so long? While I was dancing on my own.
Okay, thank you, Mr. JOMON.
Welcome, sir.
Sit in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you.
So guys, we are going to have a cocktail today. Guys, I really recommend you this. This has a fruity taste to it, but a little bit strong. Anyhow, cheers guys. See you on the next video.